Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce 𝑐𝒖𝒕𝒆 video session 29. So in today's video, we are going to learn outer join. So let me take those two file once again. And let me quickly do the outer join here. Let me take the account ID. Let me write over here outer join. What's the file I'm giving? Inner join file. Let me click on save and run. Now in the meantime it runs, let's actually perform the operation. Okay, how exactly it's going to happen. So let me write over here outer join. Fine. Sample once again. Now first let's read what this outer join means. Okay. So as you can see here, it's saying include all rows from recipe data and off file, regardless of whether they have matches. Include all matching rows when multiple matches are found. So basically it's saying that it will include all the rows. Okay, if it matches, that's completely fine. But even if it doesn't matches, then also include all the rows. Okay, that's what it's basically means. So what we are going to do is, I will again open this one. First of all, let me take A1. Okay, so, or let me take the name. I think that would be more appropriate. So for this name, what is matching? The matching part is this one, right? I think we have already done over here. Let me take from here itself. Okay, that is ON1 and ON6. Okay, that's cool. And then let's take the second one, that is AN2. For AN2, also we have already done over here, which is this one, that is ON3 and ON7. Let me copy it here. Okay, and then you have for AN3, right? So for AN3, we have one, that is ON2. So let's do that, ON2. Okay, and then we have A4, right? So for AN4, we also have ON4. Okay, for AN4, we have ON4. Okay, then we have AN5 and AN7. Okay, and it will be null in our case because nothing is matching, right? So let's put null and let's put null. Okay, that's great. So whatever matching is there, we have done. And also from left, we have taken 5 and 7, which are not there. Okay, I mean, nothing is coming from. But one more thing is, we have A1, A2, A3, A4. We don't have A6. Okay, so this A6 also will be taken. So because outer join is everything you have to give. Okay, so ON5 will be here, and here it will be null. Right. So that's how it goes. Because A5 is something, sorry, not A5, A6 is something which is not matching. Others are matching actually from my left source. Okay. So this will be null here. And so this is how it is. And of course, I can just put the proper IDs, which is fine. This will be of 6 or 3 of 7. Okay. AN3 is nothing but A3, A4, A5. I just copy it from here. Fine. And this one, of course, will be null as well. Okay. And here, actually, this is like up till here, it will come as it is. And at last, you have ON5, and your op ID is what? ON5 is op5. Okay. So as according to me, I think this is how it should be, and we can cross check this. So in total, I will have one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. In total, I should have 9 records. Okay. And now let's see if our recipe, I think by now it should run successfully. It ran successfully, and now I will just refresh this. And I will open my outer join file. You can see 9, and let's go to values table very quickly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my account name, what I've taken. Okay. I will take my account name and I will just put the account name before my op name. Okay. So we have first AN1, ON1, AN1, ON6, which is matching, right? AN1, ON1. So let's highlight this. Okay. Then we have AN2, ON3 and AN2, ON7. So this part is also matching, right? Now let's go for the next one, which is AN3, ON2, AN3, ON2, AN4, ON4. Okay. So let's check this. AN3, O2, AN4, ON4. Okay. This is also matching. Good. Right. This is matching that magnet results. Okay. Then you have A5, A7, right? That's how it goes. See, A5, and then you have A7 at last, which is fine. And middle you have ON5. Okay. And for ON5, it is null. So that's how it's matching as well over here also, all these things. Okay. So all are matching, right? This A7 water slot, this in A5 and A7 middle, this particular thing was there. Okay. So in total, we have 9 records. So as you see, I again just went through whatever is written over here. It includes all the rows. Fine. That's how it is. If it matches, that's fine. It will include multi-match. If it doesn't match, then include everything. At the end of the day, we have to see everything. So what it means is basically at first, I just did the normal kind of join, which I do. Like I just checked and with what is matching. After the match is done, right? So firstly, I took all the matching parts. And after that, I took anything which was extra. So after the matching part was done, I just took the extra ones, which is from left, I had this A5, A7, right? And from right, I had this A6, right? Which was not matching. And that's how my answer came out. Okay. So this is all about the outer join. And I hope after walking through all the joins, it completely became clear to you what is the meaning of left join, what is the meaning of right join, what is the meaning of inner join, and what is the meaning of outer join. Fine. And yeah, that's it about this video. In case you have liked it, these are the 4 major joins, and definitely it's very relatively easy, but the concept should be completely clear, because at the end of the day, I have, you know, just explain it by taking very few datas from, by marking it in an Excel sheet. However, when you work in real time, you will have some proper standard object or custom object. You have to definitely understand the relationship. You have to map the proper keys, because here also, if I don't map the proper keys, my results will be inaccurate. Okay. So at that particular time, you have to understand how things are taken into consideration. So yeah, this is just a very short explanation by taking some simple examples. But in real time, you will work with large amount of data, and you shouldn't get confused if you understand the concept part over here. Okay. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, maybe we can have one more session where we can go through I think there are other 2 joins we will cover as well. That is the cross join and lookup join. And maybe we can have a session where we will completely revise of whatever the all the joins we have in the recipe. Okay. Thank you. Let's meet soon in the next session.